Checking credit scores, browsing travel discounts, managing auto and home loans. These days, your mobile banking app can do it all. Author and financial guru Yanely Espinal joins us with a crash course in making the most of digital banking and how to maximize digital financial tools to help us save time and money. So, with your book and social media platform, you have helped people learn about personal financial or finance in a fun and engaging way. So, what are a few tips you can share to help us start our own financial path to success?
I love this question. I would say begin with a written money plan. There's so many people out there who think they can keep track of it all in their head. But no, that does not work. You need to write down your goals and measure your progress towards achieving those goals. And then I would say once you have that plan set in a written fashion, you can then extend that and start using some of the digital tools and financial technology that's available nowadays to help you sort of make it easier to manage all of these different financial goals.
That's a great idea because your finances tend to be complicated, right? Especially the more that you own, the more that you do, the older you get. So writing all those things down as opposed to trying to memorize those, that's a great idea because there's no way I am remembering all that stuff. So using banking apps is becoming increasingly popular, right? So what are ways we can get things done beyond transacting?
Yeah, I think that a lot of people think, oh, if I have my mobile banking app on my phone, it's just for bank transactions every day that I'm doing. But the reality is there's so much more on these banking apps now. You can actually use financial health tools. You can look for bonus rewards for travel and even shopping discounts. And so a lot of use cases for these. Right now, about 80% of consumers say that they are using these apps at least once a week. So that's great. That means that we're using these. And for the most part, the popular type of features on these apps are going to be sending and receiving money to your friends or family members, checking your credit score and taking a look at your credit health, also paying bills. You can go right onto the app and pay your bills or set up bill pay. And then, of course, if you have a paper check, you can deposit it just by taking a picture of it. So it's super convenient.
Very versatile. So how can we use an all-in-one app to save money?
Yeah, when it comes to saving money, there are some special features to kind of help you boost your savings. So there's two that come to mind. One that I really like is auto save. If you can go into your banking app and set up auto save, it just automatically moves money from your checking account to your savings account. And if you're a Chase customer, you can set up Chase autosave with an amount of money that you choose at the frequency that you decide. So you're in control and you can just prioritize saving without even having to really do anything once you set it up that first time. And so I really love that. And then the second one is a little newer, which is pay in 4. So if you're scrolling through the app and you see some transactions or maybe larger purchases that are a bit bigger than your usual purchases, you can click on that transaction and see if there's an option to set up pay in 4 so you make 4 smaller payments towards that purchase. And this kind of frees up a little bit of money, wiggle room in your budget in case there's an unexpected expense that pops up. Now you freed up a little bit of cash for that. So I think that these types of features can really help people save, find room to save in their budget, and just better prioritize saving in general.
I can dig it. Thank you so very much for spending your morning with us. Before I let you go, where can viewers go to find some more information?
Yeah, so if you want to learn more information about how you can use your digital banking app to better manage your money and, really balance all of your financial goals, you can visit chase.com/mobile.
Excellent. Thank you so very much for joining us this morning. I really, really appreciate it. It's all very, very interesting and useful information. And guys, if you want to catch this interview again, you can head to First Coast News Plus, where you can catch it on Apple TV, Roku, and Fire TV.